everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always. Okay y'all, so I am back with an update on my Shea Moisture Color Cream System Bright Auburn hair color, y'all. All right, so this is what I'm looking like these days, okay? I'm a little redhead. All right, so first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys so much for participating when I asked you guys for feedback. And then furthermore, thank you all for coming along the ride with me as I colored my hair. Y'all had me cracking up in the comments. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. Really quickly, just for this video, like I said, I wanted to update you all, let you all know how my second round process went when I tried to color my hair again, the pros, the cons, if I'll ever do it again, all of that stuff, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, like I told you all, I was gonna try this color again for the second time to see if my hair would lift. It is definitely brighter than what it was the first time, but it's still not exactly what I was going for. I will say that it looks a lot brighter in person, and especially when I'm outside. So I really appreciate that, but I was really out here trying to go for something different. I didn't exactly get that, but it's a nice little change. Gotten a lot of compliments on it. Also, really quick, somebody may be asking what I got going on with my hair right now. I just have some little spiral curls, so I did a single strand Bantu knot. I typically never do single strand Bantu knot. I just use Eco Styling Gel as well as raw shea butter mixed with oil. So I just melted that and I put it in my hair. So the second go round was, as you all could imagine, a lot easier than the first go round. I do want to say this one thing because somebody mentioned it in the last video. Somebody was like, baby girl, cut the tip. Listen, this is why I rock with y'all, okay? Because y'all really be holding me down. Why did I not think to cut it the first time? I don't know. But that was definitely something I paid attention to the second time. So I figured that out. So the second go around, I definitely used the bottle method and I just squeezed it out and used my hands to spread it all out again. Yeah, so other than that, I mean, I think it went pretty well. I did leave it in my hair another 40 minutes and then I did rinse. And I did all of that good stuff. Some not so good things about this hair color is just that I feel like it rinsed out a lot. So the first week that I had redone my hair color, it was really bright, like it was popping. As soon as I washed my hair again, it was still bleeding like heavily. And I could definitely tell the shift in my hair color. It has definitely softened up since I colored it the first time. And that's one of my biggest complaints. And somebody had also said that every time they color their hair red, that the same thing happens to them. So it may just be whatever is in red dye. I don't really know, but that's something I haven't been feeling a lot. And as I feel like I really emphasized in my last video, y'all, I spent good money on this hair color, so I wasn't really fond of that. The second thing is that my curl pattern has definitely been loosened since I did this hair color again. Like I said the first time, it's not just terrible, but it's not something I'm the biggest fan of, so I probably won't color my hair for another year or so until I cut all of this out. I will say though, I'm pretty proud of myself coloring my whole head. I have never dyed my whole head any color. It's just not something I do, but I definitely stepped out this go round and I did it, and I'm pretty excited because usually I just do my tips, and so you know, that's just a little bit different, not really anything good or bad. I will say that something that I kind of forgot about since my hair hasn't been colored in a long time, any coloring system, whether it's permanent or semi-permanent, is going to affect your hair in one way or another because it's chemicals at the end of the day. And I can definitely tell that my hair seems more dry than it usually is. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Make sure that your hair is staying moisturized. And that's another reason why I put the raw African shea butter on my hair, because it is an amazing moisturizer. Today my hair is doing pretty good. It's not dry at all, but that's something that you definitely have to be cognizant of when you are coloring your hair. All in all though, I think this has been a pretty great experience. And now that I've actually colored my hair by myself, I think it's something that I will definitely do in the future. But I just think, like with anything else, it takes practice. I would definitely suggest and even encourage people to look into Shea Moisture's color cream system. Even if you don't want to do it yourself, you could take it to a beautician and they could apply it on your hair. It's not anything that you have to do, but I'm definitely a fan of the coloring system. But yeah, you know, I'm pretty proud of my progress and everything that I've done and how my hair has turned out. So I can't wait to play in my new hair. I'm definitely gonna get back to doing my natural hair styles. I haven't done a lot of styling here lately. It's just been a lot of different things that I've been doing on my YouTube channel. But thank you guys so much for hanging in here with me. Let me know what you guys think about this hair color, because a lot of y'all voted for this red. So y'all gotta let me know what you think. Make sure that you drop any questions or any concerns down below. I always look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is my new bright auburn look, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.